Reset Sunday, and here we go. I just did the pet blanket. Oh my gosh, look at that in the dryer. I'm going to show you how to get more value out of your Dyson. I cannot believe how much pet hair that is off of these pet blankets. These are all pet blankets. So let's get started and show you the best way to get value for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. All right, let's get down and dirty. So I have this amazing attachment, and I'll put the link in the description in the comments for you. But this is one way you can add more value to your Dyson vacuum cleaner. So it comes with the adapter and the hose, and you just attach it. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this dryer vent clean, and I'm going to show you. And what's nice about this little attachment is this skinny hose. So you don't have to actually take this completely apart. You just pull your lint filter and you just plop it down there. And look how easy that is. Wow, that's so easy. And there you have it. And we'll look and see, look how much it got out of there. That's disgusting. So it actually gets pretty far deep in there, and one thing that you do when you clean this is it actually removes all that hair and dirt that's built up in there, and your dryer will actually be a lot more efficient and dry your clothes. So that is how you get more value with your Dyson vacuum cleaner. So check out my channel of Dyson, save that playlist, and anytime I upload a new Dyson video, you'll see it. And remember to like and subscribe, and also be out on the look for more amazing deals. I have recipes and many other home improvement and cleaning tips. So there's all sorts of gadgets and stuff that will save you time and money. And that's the whole thing, is bringing you value. Thank you very much.